Boys are absolutely flossing.
Inside of the van, sir? Is there somewhere inside the van that we have the rest of the van?
Oh yeah.
Inside the van, where's
Oh yeah. Stunting on you? No, we don't need masks. Let's go.
I just feel like some here.
Money, nigga, stop this. I've been running goals on your hot shit. Do my own stuff, Jackie Chan with it. Do my own stuff, Jackie.
Chanel. You really got it, I can tell.
Hey, Coco. Chanel. Hey,
You really got it, I can tell.
Hey,
Coco. Chanel. We absolutely sent it last night in Scottsdale. Everyone's fucking hung Ched. I'm not lying when I say Manager Drew's an alcoholic. Because he has a claw in his fucking hand at 11 a.m. Buddy, the sun's over.
It's gotta recover.
I don't care. It doesn't matter, bro.
Come on, gotta recover. See me. Like an idiot. That was deleted. Like an idiot.
When you see this squad in the fucking airport, don't get on your fucking plane. Ole. Holy shit. Holy fuck. What a squad. What a squad.
Buddy, time for a new backpack, eh?
What the fuck is that, man?
What? Buddy, get a chance for it, you know?
No wonder you're not getting laid, you know?